All right, I'm going to show you all the different ways you can get to the settings on your iPhone. The most common way would probably be to find settings on your home screen. So if your iPhone is locked like this, you would swipe to unlock it and get to the home screen, and then on the home screen, you can swipe sideways to find your settings. And if you're not familiar, settings looks like a little gear icon. So you'd tap settings, and you end up usually on the front page of the settings, like this. Another way to get there would be to swipe all the way to the right on your home screen, and once you get all the way to the right, we'll end up in the app library. This will have kind of a curated, organized view of the apps on your phone. So here I see my settings, and I could just tap that icon, or I could tap this little group here to reveal everything that's within the utilities category. Some of these folders have more apps, some have less. And these are all automatically sorted and organized, by the way, so you won't have any control over what goes where. This is mostly designed to be an easy place to find your apps, and that's it. While you're in there, you can also tap the little search bar on top. Not only can you type and search here, but it also gives you an alphabetically ordered list view of your apps, which you can then scroll through and find your settings that way. Another easy way to get to settings would be to use the search. This is a really good way to find any app on your phone. You can just swipe down, sort of in the middle of your screen like this, and it opens up the search. Here, you type in a couple of the first letters of the app you're looking for, and it'll show up on top. And you can open the app from there. Another way to get to settings would be to use Siri. So hold down the side button, and you would simply tell Siri to open settings. Or you might not even need the side button. Just say, Siri, open settings, and Siri will open the settings for you. Depending on what you're looking to change within your settings, sometimes you don't even need to go to the Settings app itself. You can swipe down from the top right corner to open up your control center. Here, we'll have a lot of sliders and toggles for things like volume, low power mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, even your media controls. A lot of different connectivity options will be here. These buttons are all fully customizable. You can tap the little plus icon in the top left corner and then choose Add a Control, and you'll see a long list of available controls and buttons that can be added to your control center. So this is another easy way to quickly access key settings on your phone without actually going to the Settings app. Click that like button if this video helped you, send this to a friend who struggles to find theirs, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, till next time.